Welcome back to the channel of your boy Andre, and today we're going to look at Jamaican interrogatives and how we use them. We're going to examine the where, what, why, when, and how coming up after this. Welcome back to the channel where we teach the language of Jamaica and do our part to preserve the Jamaican culture. Now, in this lesson, we're going to jump right into it. We're going to look at the Jamaican interrogatives and how them operate differently from English. The most prominent ones are when, what, why, where, and how. Now, when and how are identical to how we use it in English, but we're going to look at the three ways in which what, where, and why is a little different. So, without further ado, make we get into the video. The first interrogative we're going to look at is the word what. Now, the difference with this in Jamaican is that it loses the T at the end and we pronounce it wa. Over recent years, though, the pronunciation started to morph to sound like we. So you have to pay close attention to the context. But we keep writing and saying it wa to avoid confusion for now, but eventually we will move over to that pronunciation also. We could look at a couple of examples using wa. Me know what me want for dinner. I know what I want for dinner. What them don't know won't hurt them. What they don't know won't hurt them. Tell me what's wrong with you. Tell me what's wrong with you. Them ha what me want. They have what I want. Not much else to this. So from here on out, me go write and pronounce what, wa. We have an advanced way we use wa, but we will cover that further in the lessons as you progress. The second interrogative we want to look on is the word where. Now this word we pronounce we. Even though wa is starting to sound like this word, this is what we commonly use for where. We will write and pronounce where like this going forward. We could look at some examples using we. Them are going to find where me keep it. They are going to find where I keep it. Me have an idea where we are go. I have an idea where we are going. Stay where me can see you. Stay where I can see you. Me have an idea where the resort there. I have an idea where the resort is. We will get more into this when we start questions, and we will use what we learn so far in the lessons going forward. The third interrogative we want to look at is the word why. Now this operates the same in Jamaican as in English, but we have another way in which we use it. We use the phrase what makes a lot in Jamaican for mean why. So from everything you already know, what makes in English translates to wamek in Jamaican. So whenever you hear the phrase wamek, it usually means why. We could look at some examples. The reason wamek me I go are because me like the music. The reason why I'm going is because I like the music. She too lazy. At that what make she lose her job. She is too lazy. It's that why she lost her job. Me feel like me know what make you there so early. I feel like I know why you are here so early. Alright, so me know this is a lot of information, but we're going to use all of this going forward so you'll be familiar with all of it. So before we wrap up this video though, we could jump into a quick mini lesson. This mini lesson, I go quick because we just have a look at a phrase we use in Jamaican to say a lot, which we use a lot, and that are the phrase whole heap. After this lesson, this are the phrase you will hear me using to express a lot. Now, on occasion, we use a lot when we speak English, but for the most part, you're going to hear we use whole heap for mean a lot. For example, a whole heap of time I go to Jamaica over the years. Since me used to live there, me know everything there and what everybody I do. If you are wonder what make me love it so much, me have a whole heap of memories and a whole heap of love for the place. Me visit a whole heap of other places, but nothing compares to a country. Me soon come. All right. So we definitely cover a whole heap of ground and I progress nicely in your Jamaican journey. This is the end of this video, but you will see everything we covered in the lessons going forward. Thank you for hanging out with me yet again, and we will keep pushing forward. So until next time, see you on the next one, and as always, take it easy.